how much salt is too much sodium for a happy, healthy heart. Let's find out.
You deserve to be happy and healthy.
Hey folks, Joyce here, certified health and nutrition coach. This channel is for people who want to start or refresh their healthy habits. So if you're interested in doing just that, make sure to hit the subscribe button and watch all the way to the end for bonus tips. So let's take a closer look at sodium.
We have sodium found in table salt, which is NaCl, so sodium chloride. Sodium is really helpful for our bodies because it helps with nerve impulses, the relaxation and contraction of our muscles, including our heart. Our heart is a muscle, and it helps with fluid and mineral balance. So if you have excess salt in your blood vessels, let me show you what that looks like. All right, so going back to our model here, we have our LDL cholesterol, lousy cholesterol, and our triglycerides narrowing the opening of our blood vessel and not enough HDL coming through. All right, so now we're going to add excess salt coming from our diet, and what happens is where salt goes, water flows. So the water starts traveling from the cells and into the blood vessel itself, increasing the volume of liquid in this tiny blood vessel. All right, so that's a lot of pressure, guys. So that's why you are increasing your blood pressure with excess sodium in your diet.
For normal sodium levels, it depends on a few risk factors. So if you already have high blood pressure, diabetes, chronic kidney disease, over 51 years of age, or are African American, then your sodium level should be less than 1,500 milligrams per day. But if you don't have these risk factors, then they could be higher, but they have to be less than 2,300 milligrams per day. So the common sources for sodium are hidden in breads and rolls, pizza, sandwiches, cold cuts, soups, burritos, and tacos, according to the American Heart Association.
That wraps up our video on sodium. I hope y'all got a better understanding on how sodium affects heart health. If you have any questions or comments, please put them below. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share, or hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you have, thank y'all so much. See y'all next week. And remember, you deserve to be happy and healthy.